In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create nice natural blush on the cheeks. So first of all, we're going to go up in Actions, Start Recording, and you can name your action whatever you like. And set, this is where your action will appear, and you can choose a function key. You can use a combination with Shift or Control if it's already in use, and you can choose a different color. Record. Okay, we're ready to set. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color, and let's use Multiply Mode and halfway of opacity. Okay. And that creates mask already. Let's just choose a color first, whatever you like. And here we're gonna work on a mask. And make sure you invert that mask. Okay, so we're just going to copy as many as you like. So on this case, I'm just going to make 4 different colors. You can make more or less. It's nice to have a choice, so you don't have to always change. You have your favorite ones. The first one will be coral. Then we're going to go in for something more pink, a very soft pink. Okay. And the next one is more like a terracotta color. It's really beautiful on the skin. But again, the choice is yours. You can choose whatever you like. And our last one will be more of a vivid pink, something a bit stronger. Okay, so now we chose our colors. We have changed the names, and it's good time to stop. Now we're going to delete all those layers, and we're going to play the action just to see if it works. So I'm going to select all the layers with a Control and put it in a bin. Now I'm going to play the action, either play or the key assigned, which was F12. So you see your different layers with a mask, and change it into white, soft brush, and you can gently apply that blush over. And it only paints on with the color you have selected. So that's very strong. Remember, less is more in case of a blush on the cheeks. You don't want that to look clown-like. And you can test what really suits this skin tone. You can always change in opacity if it's too much. I'm always drawn to the terracotta and coral shades. And using your black brush, you can erase that. You can see when the eyes is on here, this is visible. Make sure you got white selected. You can also use it on lips. So now we made our choice. We can go to Layer, Flatten Image. It's going to ask if we want to get rid of all the layers we don't use. Yes, and this is the finished product.